Howdy folks. Well, here's the rig. I got a cast off repurposed microwave. It was a above range microwave with exhaust fans, which I've made into a countertop version. You can see it's been converted where fans come out. I got a box of high pressure sodium bulbs. They do work, but I don't really have a place to put them, so it does not have a turntable. I got a homemade cell phone stand made out of cast off hand-me-down junk, and I made the most of it. And well, you can kind of put two and two together. Oh yeah, safety precautions. Gotta have a good face shield. Do this at your own risk. I accept no responsibility if you blow yourself up. Here we go, folks. Kind of light show we can get out of one of these puppies. I have not yet microwaved one of these. This is pretty exciting. Oh yeah, you gotta have your safety liquid too. What is it? Here comes Dana. Yeah. Nice. Might take your head off. Cool.
Turn the red light off. Tyler.
Dana.
Turn that overhead light
Dana
off.
and Georgia. Sweet.
Yeah, that's nuts, dude.
It's fucking pretty sweet. That's why he's having face shield in place.
It's gonna blow up though.
Yeah, it is. That's the idea. Oh, that's fucking trippy. Remember, people, only play with electricity when you're drinking. Well, I think the light bulb's done.